there, YouTube fans. Today is Coach's birthday. As you can tell, he's using a replacement collar because he lost his with his bow tie and all our information. My neighbor was nice enough. So this is Coach. Coach, say hi. Hi there, everybody. Comment and subscribe. And give a like to this video if you like it. Woo! That's right, Coatsy. You're gonna get a bath. No! Okay, Coach. So I'm probably gonna die. Sorry. Whee! Off to go to the bath. Well, I will and will I ever see the light of day? Will I see the light of day again? So most likely I will not see the light of day ever again. And I have to get ready. Coats. I have to close the toilet. I have to take his collar off, which is super big on him. I don't know anything about these things. One sec, guys. One sec down. Please. Hold on, Zoe fans. Time, movie of truth. I have to get his back ready. Dun, 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 dun. Something from this guy. Some warm water and some cold water. Woo! Coasty. So, I may see the night there tomorrow. Yeah, I might not see the dance tomorrow. You guys are all my cousins. Yeah. So, you guys are going to get as much as I can give you guys. Yeah. I have to just go to the bath. Hello? You need to go to your bath. This is a little bath. Cozy, you have to take a bath.
No, please don't.
I already got his bath ready.
No, I'm going to take a shower right now.
Dad.
Get out, Cozy, run.
God.
Zoe.
I got him in the shower, Dad. Close the door. Coach, your bath is today.
Is it hot or cold?
Yeah, can you be my recorder though?
What the hell? Oh, no. I got it. Let me get him.
Can you be my recorder? Or do you want me to record? Okay, my dad's helping. Coach does not like baths. No cat like baths. Coachy, I'm sorry. Just thinking he's bleeding on his nose. Soap. Oh, Dad, what type of soap do we use?
I'm using my Dr. Bronner.
Okay, we're gonna use Dr. Bronner's. Thanks for giving him a bath. I need to record.
Why the hell are you doing like this?
I don't know. Oh, Coachy. He hates it. He hates it.
Oh, does he have the dog? Do we have the dog bath stuff in here?
I don't know.
Get Mommy's shoes out of here.
Mom left them.
We have the dog bath stuff. Look underneath. Did I put it in the garage?
Oh, we can't use that, remember?
Why?
It's bad for them.
For who?
Cats.
It's a specific dog one?
Yeah, Coach.
I'm not even trying to get his head dirty.
Oh, I always get his head wet because his head's the thing that I saw a flea on.
Well, I know.
I saw one flea.
We'll
Whoa! Nah. This guy helped me save my cat, so did my dog. So far, I want to give him a bath because he's shedding a lot. He's the dad, I'm the mom, and Brody's the dad. We're called the Rescuing. We're all called the Rescuing 3, huh, Daddy?
Yeah.
Rescuing for my mom didn't help though. Coach, do you like your bath? He hates me. Where is he? He hates me. This is how my dad takes him a bath. He holds his arm. Comment down if you think this is animal cruelty. Because I'm literally just giving him a bath. This is not animal cruelty. But he hates it a lot. We have to give him a bath. He's like, I haven't had a bath in 3 months. Dad, and his like paws are getting yellow and mucky. He got cut. He's shedding, and he might have fleas.
Ready for him?
No.
Well, when I tell you to get one, you need to get it.
Okay. Mom, can you get a towel?
Tia said she could come right now. The towel's under there.
No, for the cat?
Yeah, under there, the other one.
Well,
See that Mickey Mouse one?
yeah, so we got a towel. It's called Mickey Mouse. What?
Tia's gonna come right
Which
now.
one?
Claudia, I mean, not
Claudia?
Myra.
Oh, cool.
No, she's gonna help you with your recipe for tonight.
What are we making?
Cookies. Okay.
Coach, you miss. He smells so nice. Coach, you're not the only one. Next week it's Brutus. Huh?
We just gave him one though.
Well, when Brody's bath, we're gonna just start. Oh my god, this is like his 3rd bath ever. I don't like giving him baths. My dad used to work for a bath company.
That was my first job as a kid.
So he knows how to deal with it. Every time I do it, I get scratched either in the neck or chest. Mostly arms. But neck or chest happens a lot. Because he doesn't like getting in it. He got cut on the nose. My dad will help me in a lot of my videos. So, well, my friend, we're thinking of a channel name. So if you got any ideas, just comment down below. And if you want yours to be it, you have to subscribe, like, and comment. Or else. And then I'm having a giveaway. I'm going to have a giveaway, but I don't know on what yet. Hi, Dad.
Yeah.
And my friend, she's going to start cat to neuter and release. So if you want a cat, I might be able to pick you up.
I know.
Cats hate bags.
Look at all the blood from that.
Not blood.
Fleas.
That's blood. He has fleas. Either that or it's a lot of mud.
It's probably mud. I
Well-
remember watching animals with fleas and that shit coming off.
Yeah, so also bad news. He has fleas and my bad news is I scratched, so my feet are messed up.
My feet are messed up.
They have like a billion problems. Fleas, he hates baths. He got cut on his nose. He's been getting in fights. Right. Okay. And I need a YouTube name. I'm thinking of Pin and Cushion Pin, Cushion, Needle, because I have a my cousin's name's Cushion. I call her Cushion. She calls me Needle. And my friend's name's Pin. The special guest. But any other ideas? This is my cat. His name's Coat. If you ever find him, if you ever see a cat that's near him but gray and white, his name's Hitler. I named the cat Hitler because he has a bad attitude, and he hates me. And he's scared. And he hates everybody. So his name's Hitler. But Cozy here is the nicest cat ever. And mean. He was raised with a dog. A pit bull, to be exact. Cozy, do you like your bath? Are you mad at me? Well, you shouldn't be mad. So hopefully he doesn't have fleas. Do you want me to push him back in? Or is that good? Cozy. Dead elbow.
I know. I get it.
You haven't taken a bath in forever. And if my dad says you got fleas, I see a flea. It's right there. How come fleas float?
I don't know. They suck.
So guys, hold on. Flea alert. Should I grab it? It's right here, Dad. See?
Coming off.
I don't know.
Another one right there.
Yeah, he has fleas. Nice to know. Nice to know. You know, we should buy him that wash to get rid of
We
fleas.
need to buy him a flea bath is all.
Oh, we want to get him a chip ID. Remember, Dad? He's a boy and he looks fancy. You should see my dog. He like kills us.
Still recording?
Yes.
I want to make sure I get all this off and all this stuff.
How are we gonna get his face done?
We're not going to.
Yeah, we should.
He's a poor cat. That's gonna torment you.
He's tormenting. We went out, Coach.
95% little right there.
Well, he was raised by a dog. Look, bug bite. Bug.
No, I can't get them out, though. I don't know.
You can't clench them?
I was trying, dude. They're just stuck in there.
Coach, he has fleas. What should we do? Oh, we should take. When are we gonna take him to like a first vet day?
What do you mean?
How much is it to get him as an honorary cat?
You wanna get him spayed? Or neutered, or whatever they call them?
No, I want him to have kittens. I don't.
No, we're gonna have to get him spayed.
Guys, my opinion is cats have the rights to have children, boy or girl. Because if you are a slave, say, cats are friends, but slave, because they don't really they kind of go by rules. Would you want to be like neutered and you could never have kids? I just think that wrong.
Okay, Zoe,
wrong.
Go give me the towel.
So, he's all clean. Just make sure he doesn't have like, just try getting something. Here you go, Dad.
Because he's got so much hair.
I know, that's why I also want to give him a bath.
I'm going to wring him out first.
He hates us. He will kill us at night if we don't do something. He's mad-ish. He's maddish. Coats. You were so messy. You were so messy.
Where are you going to take him to dry him off at?
In here.
Open that. No, I'm going to take a shower.
Oh,
Open it for me. Right up there.
guys. This is Coat after a
Come on,
bath.
hey, I need that. Wrap it up around him.
I don't know how. I'm not the bath expert.
He trusts us too much. Look at him. He's like, what are you doing? Why are you doing this?
Yes. Coat, say goodbye. Goodbye. And I hate life. Dad, say bye to all the fans. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Meow.
Come on, let's get him out of here.